Style. Then, hi guys, and today i-unbox natin yung Captain America Mobile Alert desk figures from Petron. Then here, as you can see, if you're familiar with this collectibles, there are 6 variants of this. Captain America, which is this one, Iron Man, which we already unboxed, Hulk, Doctor Strange, Thor, and Black Widow. So right here we have the Captain America Mobile Alert. These are made of diecast metals, as you can see here. It says diecast metals, but hindi siya pure diecast talaga. Yung Iron Man na desk lamp nito, hindi siya pure diecast. Yung arms tsaka head ni Iron Man ng Mark 50 is hindi diecast. Medyo plastic, rubberized plastic siya. So probably itong figure din ito, hindi rin pure diecast. Up front is Chris Evans, and the figure itself says Marvel Avengers Infinity War, only on cinemas, Petron, Captain America Mobile Alert, diecast metals. And on the left side, sticker from Petron. This I think it's a sign of authenticity, and pretty much how the figure figure will be used. Ring, ring, ring. Base light will blink when a call or message is detected. Okay, then it says not for sale on the lower left, then warning on the lower right. On the right side says collect them all, and all the available variants: Hulkbuster memo pad, Doctor Strange electronic message board, Iron Man lamp, Black Widow USB hub, Thor multi-charger, and Captain America Mobile Alert. On the back, Marvel Avengers Infinity War, only in cinemas, and Cap, Black Widow, Thor, Iron Man, Hulk, and Doctor Strange. On top, Marvel Avengers Infinity War, only in cinemas, and on the bottom, designed by RCL. Okay, so buksan natin siya. Let's go. Style. Here. Then there's Captain America peeking. Hello there. Okay. Ayan siya. Styro na may onion skin. Okay. There you have the Captain America Mobile Alert. As you can see, kaya nasabi ko kanina, yung arms niya, katulad kay Iron Man, hindi siya diecast metal. May rubberized plastic siya, as well as this one. The head, I suppose, is also not diecast. Okay. Rubberized plastic din siya. Medyo gumagalaw-galaw pa. Magalaw pa. And there. Ang diecast lang ito, yung body niya hanggang sa paa. Ayan. Then okay, front, left, at the back, kita pa rin yung screws. And front. So, ang napakapangit lang dito talaga is makita mo yung mga seam line. Sobrang lalaki. Hindi nila masyadong na-compress. Halatang halata. Okay. Then on top here, may plastic na I think ito yung para sa ilaw. Then the bottom, on off, open. Lalagyan mo siya ng battery. I'm not sure kung may battery na siya. Kung wala, check natin mamaya. On mo natin. Then yun, may battery siya. Umilaw siya. Yun. So I guess iilaw siya kapag nagva-vibrate. There, okay? Testing natin siya sa cellphone mamaya. So, gusto ko lang yan yung face ni Captain America. Hindi talaga siya perfect sculpted face. Ayan, kita niyo naman. Siya. Hindi. If you're after the details of a figure, medyo hindi mo siya ganun ma-appreciate. Okay, there. Okay, so guys, at the happy here is cellphone. So, testing natin kung paano yung itsura niya, paano maglagay ng cellphone. Ganyan. Okay, oops, yun siya. Yan yung itsura niya. Pretty useful naman. Pag wala kang cellphone stand sa desk mo, naghahanap ka, ito useful naman to. Sa landscape, pwede rin. Yan siya. Landscape mode. Portrait mode. Kapag akma dun sa pwede rin pag ganito. Ayan. Yan siya. Pero narangan ni Captain America. So, yun. So, kapag nagbabibrate siya, guys, iilaw yung yung ilaw sa base niya. Ayan, guys, nagbabibrate na siya. So, umiilaw yung base. Ayan, kita niyo naman. Yung base umiilaw. Okay. Kapag nagbabibrate. So, nakadepende yung pag-ilaw. Kapag hindi naka-vibrate yung phone mo, siguro hindi siya iilaw. Kasi naka-detect lang siya ng vibration ng phone kapag ayun nga, nagba-vibrate yung phone, saka siya ilaw. Yan. Okay. Okay. But, overall, okay din naman. Useful piece. Desk piece naman siya. But for you na nag-after ng mga details, figures, this is not for you kasi as you can see right here, yung details sa figure hindi ganun ka ganda. Yung head sculpt, yung painting sa arms, yung mga seam lines ang lalaki. Yan. So, but pretty useful desk piece siya. Ayan. So, yun lang guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you like it, thumbs up. Kapag gusto niyo pa makakuha ng iba pang makakapanood ng ibang videos, subscribe lang kayo. Yeah, that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.